Hi everyone, my name is Giselle and I received a DP4 treatment out of Skin Vitality's Stony Creek location. I had come in for some help regarding my fine lines and wrinkles, which had always been a huge insecurity for me. I had been searching for an effective treatment with guaranteed results. And when a Skin Vitality ad came across my Instagram feed, I was instantly interested because they had advertised an exclusive deal. So I decided to book a complimentary consultation in order to get more information. I received a quick response and I was able to book in my free assessment that worked around my schedule. During my assessment, I met with medical consultant Kaylee, who was super professional, attentive, and answered all of my questions. She explained that it would take a couple of sessions to diminish the appearance of my fine lines. Based on that, she created a customized treatment package that fit my limited budget. On the day of the treatment, I wasn't sure of what to expect, but it ended up feeling like a bunch of tiny pokes. The technician was wonderful and kept me distracted throughout the entire procedure, which made it virtually painless. I have completed 2 treatments of the DP4, and my fine lines and wrinkles are virtually gone. My skin looks and feels rejuvenated, my results are outstanding, and I couldn't be happier with my results. Thank you, Skin Vitality, for helping me regain my confidence. I'm so happy with my results, and I've never felt more beautiful. If you're looking to improve your skin, I would highly recommend reaching out to Skin Vitality for your free consultation today.